How to enlarge your breasts. American society values bigger breasts over average and small ones. Many women do not feel they have big enough breasts. If you want a bigger bosom, here are some tips on how to enlarge your breasts. 1. Gain a little weight. Breasts are mostly composed of fat, so if you are very skinny, you might get bigger breasts if you gain a little weight. The risk of this is that it can be a slippery slope and result in a lot of weight gain. Also, not everyone gains weight in the chest area. Some put on weight on undesirable places, like the stomach or the thighs. For people who are underweight, this is a viable option. 2. Try herbal supplements. There are several herbal supplements that stimulate breast growth. This is done by making sure that the body has enough levels of the female hormone estrogen. The most popular herbal supplement, fenugreek, is taken by pregnant women who have difficulty producing milk and by women undergoing menopause. Nursing mothers drink saw palmetto, which has a delightful side effect of increasing the growth of new breast tissue. Another herb called dong quai has been shown to balance hormones in the body, a side effect of which is breast enlargement. For those who are suffering from an imbalance of hormones, an effective herbal supplement reduces symptoms, including weight gain, lethargy, panic attacks, and headaches. It is highly recommended that you consult your doctor if you are taking other medication. It is also best if you choose just one herb and consume a high-quality capsule or tea version of it. 3. Consume amino acids. The growth of humans slows down at the age of 25. This is unfortunate because breast enlargement requires growth hormones. Amino acids are said to be the building blocks of protein, which in turn encourages growth. This way, amino acids can help kickstart the body to grow again. The top 3 amino acids for breast growth are glutamine, lysine, and arginine. If you incorporate them into your diet, you will have a higher chance of getting bigger breasts. In addition, amino acids also help burn fat and slow down aging. Amino acids are a triple threat on your side. 4. Try birth control pills. Birth control pills are recommended not just for birth control, but also to regulate hormones and menstrual periods. The effects of the contraceptive are different depending on the users, so monitor the effects on your breasts. Some users have reported that the increase in boob size stops when you stop taking the pill. The non-invasive procedures given here on how to enlarge your breasts may not produce the results you want in terms of size and quickness. If the size of your breasts gives you anxiety, and you have the money and are willing to risk the possible complications of a medical procedure, you can undergo a breast augmentation procedure. Think about it carefully and make sure that you are fully informed about the procedure. It is a common procedure, but the results vary. How to make your breasts grow. While women's breasts can produce milk regardless of their size, society has decided that big breasts are ideal and has influenced a lot of women to desire bigger breasts. In a perfect world, every woman would be happy with the body she has, including her breasts. Unfortunately, most women nowadays would like for their breasts to be bigger, and some have gotten boob jobs as a result. Without resorting to cosmetic surgery, here are ways on how to make your breasts grow. 1. Build your chest muscles. Exercises that increase your upper pectoral muscles add bulk to your breasts and will make them look more rounded and firm. Make sure that you work on your upper pectoral muscles, because working on your lower pectoral muscles decreases bust size. A popular upper pectoral exercise is the push-up. Lie face down on the floor and put your hands level to your chest. Your legs should be straight and together. Curl your toes to support your weight as you push down with your arms to lift your chest and straighten your elbows. Lower yourself down close to the floor and push back up. Aim for 3 sets of 15 push-ups as you build strength. 2. Drink to bigger breasts. Adolescent girls who are undergoing puberty have gotten positive effects after drinking a mixture of milk and papaya juice. The nutrients and vitamins in both ingredients encourage the breasts to grow when girls drink the mixture every day. You can also eat papaya and drink milk separately. 3. Consume more protein. Protein helps in muscle building, and will aid in breast size increase when eaten often in conjunction with consistent chest exercises. The best sources of protein for bigger breasts are nuts, peanut butter, lean fish, chicken, milk, and eggs. Reduce your consumption of processed food, fast food, and sodas. 4. Try herbal supplements. Be wary of creams, hormones, and herbal supplements touted to increase breast size. Some of them are scams and contain sketchy ingredients that may be harmful to you. That said, there are several herbs that trigger the breast growth. These are fenugreek, red clover, wild yam, and fennel seeds, which you can incorporate in your diet. These foods increase the body's production of the female hormone estrogen and stimulate breast growth. Make sure that you buy high-quality herbs at reputable stores to ensure safety and speed up the results. You may need to consult your doctor to see if you are allergic to any of the herbs or if they will interfere with any existing medication. 5. Massage to big breasts. There have been several claims of breast massages originating in Asia that increase breast size. Rub your hands together as fast as you can until they feel hot. Place your hands on your breasts and rub inwards around your breasts in circles. Repeat to 100 to 300 times, or 10 to 15 minutes. You can do the massage in the morning when you wake up and at night before sleeping. As you follow these tips on how to make your breasts grow, know that at the end of the day, you are fighting genetics. It's not the end of the world if you have average-sized breasts. Feel blessed because you are healthy, and remember that average-sized breasts sag less as you grow older.